Hey, it's Christina and I have some more Shopkins to open, a 12 pack. And I bought it because I need this one, the frozen special one. So I hope there are more frozen ones in here. Just gonna take the bags out. So, and the Shopkins are falling out. So this is rainbow backed, and we have Jellyby and Bubbles, and I needed her. And Apple Blossom. And she don't want to come out of the box. This is Flutter Cake. And Swiss Miss. And Freezy Peasy. And Sally Shakes. And Push Pear. And this one was on the floor, so Toofs. So oh, I hope it's a frozen one. It was frozen one. And this one is Pearly Polish. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.